Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to add captions to photos and videos in iOS 14. With iOS 14, Apple introduced a new feature for the Photos app. Basically, any media that you have in Photos app can now have captions. This can be useful for jotting down memories, names of people in the photos, or any other words that can help you find it later. Best of all, it's simple to do. Go to any photo or video in your Photos app. Tap and scroll the image up a little, and you'll see the place map appear as per usual. But right above it is the new text box for captions. Tap on it and type in your caption and tap Done. Now that text will be there whenever you come back to the photo later. To search for the image with the caption, in Photos app go to Search tab and type in the keyword. Check out the Caption section for results that have keywords only in the caption of the image. It's that simple. And best of all, the caption field is not just restricted to your device. It is written into the file's metadata, so it should work in desktop apps like Adobe Lightroom or Bridge. What other features would you like Apple to implement into the Photos app? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.